Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're gonna be installing a graphics kit on my DRZ400. Let me show you the graphics kit real quick because it is fire. So shout out Volta for sending me this graphics kit. As you can see, I did a purple, black, and gray sort of scheme. Got the MB logo. We're gonna put all these graphics onto the DRZ. Then we're gonna shred the DRZ. See what people think about the graphics kit while we're on the road. So let's get it and put these graphics on. So gang, I'm not gonna bore you by putting this graphics kit on, so let's hop into the time lapse and get it.
Got a pen cutting heads, go ahead put the tally down. I got 1-2 combos on me moving like I'm Pacquiao. Pull up in a foreign whip, have foreign bitches freaking out. Got them pulling phones out when they see me hopping out. Fly around, Cali bound, I don't do relationships cause I know they can't hold me down. Making moves in Louis V, I step around the tan and brown. Keep my head above the rim, I'm ballin' like I'm Shannon Brown. We the ones that's ballin' now, yeah. Celebrate the VIP, we mixing up the white and brown. Yeah, they know the sound.
Yo gang, we're at the final moment. We pretty much have all the plastics, or graphics I shall say, installed. This thing is looking flippin' fire. I'm gonna do a full-on walk around. Well, I had to wash the bike real quick. The wheels and stuff were a little dirty, so I was like, I want to wash it. But now I'm thinking I got no rag to really clean it off with, so we're like 95% done with this graphics kit. But I was like, screw it, I'm gonna show you guys anyways because I'm waiting for a new front fender to put the rest on and front fork guards. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is the beautiful Volta kit, and I got some air bubbles in it, but you sort of really can't tell too much. But the quality of the vinyl was so good. Like, I had no rips or nothing. I literally put the whole piece of graphic on and had to take it off and nothing ripped. Like, this is a strong graphics kit. So shout out Volta for supporting the homie. I'm super stoked with this graphics kit and it looks so sick. I'm gonna start changing little accents from red to purple, so that's gonna be coming along. This is sort of like a part one of the DRZ build series, you could say. This is step one graphics kit. Step two will be changing spoke skins and some little stickers and accent pieces like that, and bars. The DRZ is looking the cleanest it's been in the last 5 years. And this is my first time buying new plastics, buying graphics for it, like doing the whole sort of thing. And I could not be any more stoked on how it turned out. See if I can get a little close up. Wipe some of this water off so y'all can see. I mean, bro, look at this, bro. This is freaking sick, bro. I'm beyond stoked, bro. Let's go cruise around a little bit, show off the new graphics kit. See what people say, bro, because I'm sure they love it. Another thing that's pretty dope is my gloves. Shout out Volta again, bro. For real, they really be hooking it up, and they got dope products that freaking they last, they're strong, good price. But I mean, bro, look at this purple, red. The white sort of turning into black, but it matches the bike now, bro. Look at this. We're matching the bike. Freaking sick. That's what I like to see, matching the goddamn bike. Bro, look at this. This bike could just coast forever, dude. Woo! Coasting, boy. Bro, I'm wearing like shorts. My pants are about to fall off, bro. Man, I can tell you one thing, bro. Installing graphics is a pain in the ass, bro. Maybe just because like it was my first time doing it, and I sort of don't know how to do it at all. I didn't use any water or soap or heat. I was like, bro, it's so hot out. Like, why do I need a heat gun, bro? The sun is my heat gun. But yeah, The graphics are chilling. We got little bubbles in them, but nothing too crazy. Oh my lord, bro. And graphics, bro. Oh my god, I didn't even tighten these all the way, did I? Ooh, bro, this thing just coasts forever. MB gang logo right there, bro. No, look at the logo that's chilling. Like, it's sick because when I pull up, people just see that straight MB gang, you know. Let's go. We're on the 50 real quick. Let's see if we can hit a little circle around the beautiful new DRZ400 with them awesome graphics. Let's go. You already know I had to get a little 50 session, but dude, the graphics kit, so flippin' sick. This is the next day if you're wondering, and most of the air bubbles are out, which is amazing. Bro, I'm just flipping stoked, bro. I'm so stoked how this freaking thing turned out. Again, shout out Volta, bro. Check them out. I'm gonna have their link down below in the description. Super cool people, and they're always hooking it up, and they have such good products, bro. So check them out. So gang, we're back at the cribbo. We got the DRZ looking pretty, but check these out. I got powder coated brakes, and this is gonna be flipping beautiful. So eventually I'm gonna replace my old crappy ones with these beautiful purple, and it's gonna go with the whole color scheme that we got going on right now. Pretty flippin' stoked how this thing turned out, but this thing is flippin' sick. And I'm just stoked how this thing freaking turned out, bro. Volta, thank you again. I'm gonna have a link down below if you want to get a graphics kit from them. Super cool people. Remember, stay motivated. I freaking love you. We have merch in the description down below. We're posting bangers. DRZ's looking flippin' pretty. Till next time, peace.